Hello guys, what's up? In this series we will discuss about HTML. In this lecture I will tell you about the introduction of HTML, and at last I will tell you about the editor which I will use in my series. So let's begin. The introduction of HTML is like this. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML was invented by British scientist Tim Berners-Lee in 1993. HTML is also used to describe the structure of web page. HTML is also used to create web pages. We can link one and other web page by using HTML. In HTML, extra spaces are being ignored. HTML is not a case sensitive language. It means that whenever I will write a thing named as HTML in capital form, no, so it will do not show any other error. So we can say that HTML is not a case sensitive language. Now I will give you about the definition of website. The definition of website is: a website is a collection of web page of audio, video and image tag, etc. Now in this series we will use a latest web browser named as Chrome, and we will use an editor named as VS. So we can also use other browsers such as Yahoo, Mozilla Firefox or etc. Now we are going to download VS Code in our PC. So let's begin. I will click on my Chrome and search download VS Code. Now I will click on HTTP code visualstudio.com. This is the official website of Visual Studio. Now I will click on it and click to download. Now you can see that the VS Code is downloading. I will cancel it because I had already downloaded it. Now when I will run it, it will show like this. Now we will gonna to accept the agreement and go to next and next again and next again, and we will create a desktop icon and next again and install it. Now you can see that the installation is completed. Now I will launch VS Code. Now you can see that the VS Code has been opened. Now we will select a file which I had already selected, name as my website. So that's how we will download VS Code in our PC. That's all for now. Take care. Goodbye.